Hello students. Today we will have a quiz on chapter 11, the human digestive system. Read each question carefully, look at the options, and think of your answer before the timer runs out. Let's get started. What is the primary process by which green plants synthesize food? Option A, respiration. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, fermentation. Option D, transpiration. The correct answer is photosynthesis. Which pigment is primarily responsible for photosynthesis in plants? Option A, chlorophyll A. Option B, carotenoids. Option C, xanthophyll. Option D, chlorophyll B. The correct answer is chlorophyll A. What are autotrophs? Option A, organisms that consume others. Option B, organisms that synthesize their own food. Option C, organisms that decompose organic matter. Option D, organisms that depend on others for food. The correct answer is organisms that synthesize their own food. What is the main product of photosynthesis? Option A, oxygen. Option B, glucose. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, starch. The correct answer is glucose. Where does photosynthesis primarily occur in plants? Option A, roots. Option B, stems. Option C, flowers. Option D, leaves. The correct answer is leaves. Which part of the chloroplast is responsible for the light reactions? Option A, stroma. Option B, thylakoid membrane. Option C, matrix. Option D, outer membrane. The correct answer is thylakoid membrane. What is the role of water in photosynthesis? Option A, source of carbon. Option B, source of oxygen. Option C, source of energy. Option D, source of electrons. The correct answer is source of electrons. What is the function of rubisco in photosynthesis? Option A, to absorb light. Option B, to fix carbon dioxide. Option C, to release oxygen. Option D, to synthesize ATP. The correct answer is to fix carbon dioxide. What is the first stable product formed during co-2-fixation in the Calvin cycle? Option A, glucose. Option B, 3-phosphoglycerate, PGA. Option C, oxaloacetic acid, OAA. Option D, fructose. The correct answer is 3-phosphoglycerate, PGA. Which of the following is a characteristic of C4 plants? Option A, higher photorespiration. Option B, Kranz anatomy. Option C, lower productivity. Option D, C3 pathway only. The correct answer is Kranz anatomy. What is the main function of accessory pigments in photosynthesis? Option A, to absorb light and protect chlorophyll. Option B, to synthesize glucose. Option C, to release oxygen. Option D. To fix carbon dioxide. The correct answer is to absorb light and protect chlorophyll. What is the Z scheme in photosynthesis? Option A. A model of chloroplast structure. Option B. A pathway of electron transport. Option C. A type of pigment. Option D. A method of carbon fixation. The correct answer is a pathway of electron transport. What happens during cyclic photophosphorylation? Option A. ATP is synthesized without NADPH. Option B. NADPH is synthesized without ATP. Option C. Both ATP and NADPH are synthesized. Option D. No energy is produced. The correct answer is ATP is synthesized without NADPH. What is the main role of ATP and NADPH produced in the light reactions? Option A. To release oxygen. Option B. To drive the Calvin cycle. Option C. To absorb light. Option D. To transport water. The correct answer is to drive the Calvin cycle. Which enzyme catalyzes the carboxylation reaction in the Calvin cycle? Option A. PEP carboxylase. Option B. NAD productase. Option C. Rubisco. Option D. ATP synthase. The correct answer is Rubisco. What is photorespiration? Option A. A process of sugar synthesis. Option B. A wasteful pathway that consumes oxygen. Option C. A method of ATP production. Option D. A type of carbon fixation. The correct answer is a wasteful pathway that consumes oxygen. In which part of the chloroplast does the Calvin cycle occur? Option A. Thylakoid membrane. Option B. Stroma. Option C. Outer membrane. Option D. Agranum. The correct answer is stroma. What is the primary CO2 acceptor in the Calvin cycle? Option A. RuBP. Option B. PGA. Option C. OAA. Option D. PEP. The correct answer is RuBP. Which of the following factors does not affect the rate of photosynthesis? Option A. Light intensity. Option B. Temperature. Option C. Soil pH. Option D. Carbon dioxide concentration. The correct answer is soil pH. What is the effect of high light intensity on photosynthesis? Option A. Increases photosynthesis indefinitely. Option B. Decreases photosynthesis. Option C. Causes chlorophyll breakdown. Option D. Has no effect. The correct answer is causes chlorophyll breakdown. What is the role of chloroplasts in plant cells? Option A. Energy storage. Option B. Photosynthesis. Option C. Respiration. Option D. Water absorption. The correct answer is photosynthesis. What is the main difference between C3 and C4 plants? Option A. Type of chlorophyll. Option B. location of Calvin cycle. Option C, rate of photosynthesis. Option D, number of stomata. The correct answer is location of Calvin cycle. Which pigment absorbs light in the blue and red regions of the spectrum? Option A, chlorophyll A. Option B, chlorophyll B. Option C, carotenoids. Option D, xanthophylls. The correct answer is chlorophyll A. What is the function of stomata in leaves? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, gas exchange. Option C, water transport. Option D, nutrient absorption. The correct answer is gas exchange. What is the significance of the chemiosmotic hypothesis? Option A, it explains ATP synthesis. Option B, it describes light absorption. Option C, it outlines the Calvin cycle. Option D, it shows the role of Rubisco. The correct answer is, it explains ATP synthesis. Which type of plants primarily use the C4 pathway? Option A, tropical plants. Option B, desert plants. Option C, aquatic plants. Option D, temperate plants. The correct answer is tropical plants. How many ATP molecules are required to produce one glucose molecule in the Calvin cycle? Option A, 6. Option B, 12. Option C, 18. Option D, 24. The correct answer is 18. What is the primary product of the light reactions of photosynthesis? Option A, oxygen. Option B, glucose. Option C, ATP. Option D, NADPH. The correct answer is oxygen. What is the role of NADPH plus in photosynthesis? Option A, energy storage. Option B, electron acceptor. Option C, carbon fixation. Option D, light absorption. The correct answer is electron acceptor. What is the effect of temperature on the rate of photosynthesis? Option A, higher temperatures always increase the rate. Option B, lower temperatures always decrease the rate. Option C, it varies depending on plant type. Option D, temperature has no effect. The correct answer is, it varies depending on plant type. What is the first step of the Calvin cycle? Option A, reduction. Option B, regeneration. Option C, carboxylation. Option D, light reaction. The correct answer is carboxylation. What is the main advantage of C4 plants over C3 plants? Option A, higher water use efficiency. Option B, higher rates of photorespiration. Option C, lower productivity. Option D, more chlorophyll. The correct answer is higher water use efficiency. Which type of light is most effective for photosynthesis? Option A, a green light. Option B, red light. Option C, blue light. Option D, yellow light. The correct answer is red light. What is the role of the bundle sheath cells in C4 plants? Option A, carbon fixation. Option B, oxygen release. Option C, sugar synthesis. Option D, water absorption. The correct answer is carbon fixation. What does Blackman's law of limiting factors state? Option A, only one factor limits photosynthesis. Option B, multiple factors can limit photosynthesis. Option C, light is the only limiting factor. Option D, temperature is the main limiting factor. The correct answer is multiple factors can limit photosynthesis. What happens to the rate of photosynthesis when CO2 concentration increases? Option A, it decreases. Option B, it increases. Option C, it remains constant. Option D, it fluctuates. The correct answer is, it increases. What is the main function of the Calvin cycle? Option A, to produce ATP. Option B, to fix carbon dioxide. Option C, to release oxygen. Option D, to absorb light. The correct answer is, to fix carbon dioxide. Which of the following is not a product of the light reactions? Option A, ATP. Option B, NADPH. Option C, glucose. Option D, oxygen. The correct answer is glucose. What is the primary role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis? Option A, to absorb water. Option B, to absorb light. Option C, to release oxygen. Option D, to fix carbon. The correct answer is, to absorb light. What is the significance of the Calvin cycle in photosynthesis? Option A, it converts light energy to chemical energy. Option B, it fixes carbon dioxide into organic compounds. Option C, it produces oxygen. Option D, it absorbs sunlight. The correct answer is, it fixes carbon dioxide into organic compounds. What is the main difference in anatomy between C3 and C4 plants? Option A, presence of chlorophyll. Option B, number of chloroplasts. Option C, arrangement of mesophyll cells. Option D, type of stomata. The correct answer is arrangement of mesophyll cells. How does water stress affect photosynthesis? Option A, increases CO2 availability. Option B, closes stomata, reducing CO2 intake. Option C, increases light absorption. Option D, has no effect. The correct answer is closes stomata, reducing CO2 intake.